Kanuda's Nap series replicate physical therapy techniques to provide a mini session right in the comfort of your own home. So even if you don't have time for a full chiropractic session, Nap can help you achieve similar benefits. Head Nap is Kanuda's flagship product that is first designed to replicate two main chiropractic techniques, OCBR and CV4, which are known to promote movements of fluids in and around the central nervous system, increasing circulation and relieving tensions in neck and head by providing gentle pressure to the suboccipital muscles. This newest addition to our nap series is the Lumbar Nap. With its unique design, the Lumbar Nap targets pressure points in the sacrum and lower back, improving the functioning of your craniosacral system and relieving tension in lower back muscles. Its sacral still point and back support features stimulate pressure points in the sacrum and lower back, helping to restore your spine's natural lumbar curve and promoting correct posture, relieving muscle tension, and it helps you relax. Using the Lumbar Nap is easy. Simply place it on a flat surface, lie on your back, and position the pillow under your lower back. Make sure the sacral still point and sacrum groove are aligned with your spine. Then relax and enjoy the gentle pressure and support. We recommend using it for 10 to 50 minutes a day. For even greater benefits, try using it together with the Kanuda Head Nap. For maximum benefit, we recommend using the Lumbar Nap and Head Nap together. While the Lumbar Nap targets pressure points in the sacrum and lower back, the Head Nap provides gentle alignments and relaxation of the suboccipital muscles. Using both products can help promote correct posture, increase circulation, and relieve tension in the neck, head, and lower back. Don't just take our word for it. Try and see how it can make a real difference in your life. Visit Kanuda.com and order your Lumbar Nap today. Also, check out our Head Nap for even greater benefits. Remember, your spine deserves the best. Choose Kanuda.